Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a baby blue and gold table setting. And of course, everything has come from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started in what I did for this table setting. So here we go. The first thing we have are the dollar store charger plates. So these are so cute because again, they're only $1 and I got these in gold. And sitting on top of the gold charger is the light blue paper plate. Inside of that is the gold matching cups. And then I just added a little, just a regular blue paper napkin, the ones that match the plates. I just added that and put inside the cup just to, give it a little flair. And right next to it are the actual napkins. I just did like just a regular fold, and then I added the gold napkin ring holder. I took one of the silver Dollar Tree napkin rings and I just hot glued the gold trim around it. I do have a video on that if you guys are interested in learning how I did that. Moving along, we have the centerpieces, which are the cylinder vase right here with the gold bling wrapped around, a dollar store candle, and then hot glued to that is another cylinder turned upside down. And next time I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add like a little tea light candle or maybe a flower or something inside of this bottom vase. So, I think that actually add a little bit more to the table as well. And then moving along, just to add more depth to the table, I added the gold goodie bags. And I mean, you can use these in multiple ways. So right now, I'm just using them as just a prop for the table, just to add more to the table. But what you could do is actually put a balloon weight inside and tie matching balloons. So I would do like some baby blue and gold balloons actually tied to the handles. But even just left alone, I think they're kind of cute. Let's say, like for instance, if you were doing a certain theme, like say I was doing a teddy bear theme, I would actually get teddy bear cutouts and actually attach to the front and the back of the bags to use as part of the centerpieces as well. And of course, we got the light blue tablecloth. So again, like this table setting was very easy to do. It didn't cost much at all because everything came from the Dollar Tree. Let's see, the last thing I did was the backdrop. I love having a backdrop, so I mean, just to add to your table setting, or even you can have your guests, stand in front of your backdrop, to take pictures. So again, this backdrop, the circle garland, I actually have a video of this, of how I actually did this, but you can just buy colored cardstock paper. They do have even poster board, and you can use a hole punch and just punch circles out and just string them. Again, if you're interested in how I made this, I do have a video on that. And here we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love taking, Dollar Tree items and just making cute little table settings, and just to show you that it doesn't cost a lot to actually do something like this to throw a party. And with all the different colors that the Dollar Tree has on party items, I mean, you can pretty much do a lot. I mean, you can come up with something amazing, and on a budget. But again, I thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.